Hi, it's Bill here with Immaculate Paint Protection. We're standing in front of a 2020 Ram Sport Edition. We just did a partial front-end paint protection film using Aztec Dyno Shield. What's paint protection film? Paint protection film, it's a clear polyurethane film that's computer cut, applied to the front of the vehicle. It stops all the rocks, all the stones. It's going to hit the vehicle from chipping the paint away. Super important for a vehicle like this. Wintertime's coming up, the snow, the salt's going to be on the ground. This guy's four-wheel drive, so he's going to be driving it hard. Another point, these trucks here, bumpers, they're steel. So once the rocks, stones chip the paint away, they get down past the primer, you get bare metal, well, that's when the rust starts happening. Rust on a white truck like this, not going to look good. But this guy's pretty smart. He came to Immaculate Paint Protection. He got the partial front end package. What's the partial front end? It includes the bumper, the front grille, and partial hood, partial fender. So everybody's asking how much, where can you see this film? I'll show you here. Here's the film, no film. You can see a line right there where my finger is. For some people, that's a huge deal breaker. For other people, look, they just want to get the film on the car, the truck, SUV, sports car, and they want to protect it. We're happy to do either the partial front end or the full front end. You won't see that line with the full front end package, but that comes down to economics, obviously. So, you know, we can stop there, cover it, or we can cover the full hood, the full fenders. That's typically about twice as much, but that's more than twice as much film you get there. So this guy, you know, people are buying these trucks. They're $60,000, $70,000, $80,000, $90,000 now. It's a huge investment. Yeah, of course you want it to look really nice. The truck came into us. We did a full decon wash on it over there, two bucket method. Rinsed it off, foamed it up, rinsed it off again. Then we got into the two bucket method. Then we did the contact wash to it. Prior to that, we got in, we cleaned all the rims up really nice for the guy. He's a fellow detailer in the industry here, and he's also in the reserves. As the servicemen, we know we work a little harder for these guys in the service. We appreciate what they're doing, so we spent a little extra time. We got the extra tar off the vehicle for them. Then we came in, did iron removing process on all the white. That burnt the iron off. Then we did clay bar, went over it again, made sure everything is super, super clean. Took the computer cut film, installed it to the bumper, around the grill, around the hood. Something we did here in Immaculate Paint Protection is we wrap all these edges. That edge is wrapped, that edge is wrapped. You will see a line, there's no way to wrap into here, but you know, you can get up on there and look. I mean, that's what you're gonna see. That's where the film stops on the panel. So, you know, we're here at Immaculate Paint Protection, immaculatepaintprotection.com. Prices are online, a lot of great information is online. Email us, call us, check our website out. If you got any questions, we're here for you. Thanks so much. Bill Feder, Immaculate Paint Protection.
Packages, pricing, and more. Visit us at immaculatepaintprotection.com.